to go. Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're here with Peter Robin, and Peter is in wonderful voice today, aren't you, Peter? Famous bird in Pergola Nurseries. Everybody asks for you, Peter, when they come. He's getting ready for spring now. We're trimming back our lovely, what we call the braided willows. They're fantastic in pots and containers or out in open ground. Lovely branch work. Even in the winter time they look fantastic, and of course then in spring and summer and early autumn you've green foliage on top. We just got a little trim back now. We have this size ready, which is around, I suppose, 60 centimeters high. Larger ones will be ready after Christmas, but there's something unusual for pots and containers or out in open grounds. This braided willow can be planted from now. If you're planting it out, of course, normal planting, super planting fertilizer, bit of compost and soil on top, and the same back in the round, or grow completely in swell well compost in a pot or container. And like all willow, of course, they need lots and lots and lots of moisture. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden. Say goodbye, Pete. Bye now.